What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shelly Nicole. Today we're going to be doing this pink butterfly body painting. Mehron is hosting a competition for the next face of Mehron. This is what I'm doing this for. Half of the face is beauty and the other half is springtime, so this is what I came up for the look. Before we get into this look, make sure you click that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. Now let's get into the look. So I'm starting off with my beauty side after I have a little drink of water, because honestly this weather in Jersey is crazy and it has my skin and everything super dumb dry. And of course you guys know, if you've been a long time subscriber, that I like to have my hair tied back. So I started on my beauty side, of course, and I'm going to start with this pink smoky eye that I decided to come up with to go with the look. And yeah, you know, just have fun with it. It doesn't have to be the same exact color that I have. So I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand, and I'm going to use that as a base for my eyeshadows. And then I'm going to set that with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Now I'm going in with the Morphe 35B palette. I'm using this light pink as a transition color. You can't really see it, so that's why I decided to go in with a more medium tone pink for my transition color. I'm going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and I'm just making sure that that's properly blended by using a big fluffy brush that's clean, that doesn't have any type of eyeshadow on it. Now I'm going to go in with the hot pink color that you see as my transition color, and I'm just putting that all over my crease sloppily. It doesn't really matter how it looks, because honestly we're going to clean it up with concealer afterwards. And then again, I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush, and I'm going to make sure that I blend out those harsh lines. Now I'm going to go in with this deep purple color for my outer V color, and I honestly went back in with a little bit of black afterwards just to help smoke it out a little bit more. And now I'm going to start cutting my crease with the same Tarte Shape concealer. And now I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going in with that baby pink color as a base. And I'm going to be using my Urban Decay adhesive before I go in with some glitter. And then I'm going to go in with the eye candy glitter in Double Bubble. And I'm going to pat that all over my eye and repeat until my entire eye is covered. Once I do that, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of black and a little bit of that dark purple, and I'm just going to help blend out a little bit more on the edges of the eyeshadow. And then of course you guys know that I cannot live without my wing liner. I'm sorry, I tried it, it's boring for real. I love wing liner, you guys know this, so I cannot live without it. So here we are, I'm going to be just doing my basic dramatic wing line. And then I'm going to go back in with that hot pink color that I used for my transition color, and I'm going to put that at my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with Makeup Geek Shimmer Shimmer just to give it a pop of color in my inner corner, and then I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk for my inner waterline. Of course, it wouldn't be a Mehron competition if I didn't use any products from Mehron. So I'm going in with my Paradise paint, and I'm using this really hot pink color to start off my outline for my wings to my butterfly. So right now I'm just roughly painting on the wings and how I want them positioned onto my body. And then I'm going to fill those in. Now I'm going to bring it up on my face, around my eye, on my spring side. And honestly, I just started painting a really odd shape, and to be honest, there's really no structure when I go in on these paintings, you guys. Like literally they just come alive on their own, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to go in with some black paint and I'm going to start outlining where my wings will start and end and how they overlap each other. I'm also going to fill in the base of the wings. As you see on butterfly wings, they have thicker tips on the end. Now I'm going to go in on the details of the inside of the butterfly wings. And to be honest, if I could do this all over again, I would be more thorough with the details of the inside of the wings and make them more pronounced, because honestly, they just look like kind of like shattered glass instead of inside of butterfly wings. But it worked out in the end a little bit, but this is just me being critical as an artist. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter pink and I'm just going to highlight certain areas of the inside of the wings just to give it a little bit more dimension, and then I'm going to blend that out with a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go in with a red body paint, and this is just going to add more depth to the look and it's going to make it look a little bit more 3D. I'm going in with some white body paint. I'm going to add some white dots all over my body and my face. This is just going to add a little bit more detail to the look, and it's just going to make it seem more butterfly-y, if that's even a word. But it's just adding really tiny details like this that actually make the image stand out on you. So I'm just going all around my body in random places and just adding a few little random dots here and there. Going back to the black body paint, I'm going to be doing the same thing around the perimeter of the outline on my face and also at the base of the wings. Now this part is optional. I saw this on Jordan Hahn's body paint and I love the way it looks. And this is also optional. I'm just splattering a little bit of black and white body paint on me, like by flicking the brush on me. And this is just adding a lot of detail to the look as well, making it a little bit more grungier. I kind of didn't want this to be too pretty. I like it to be a little bit crafty in a way. So now I'm going in with some cherry lashes and I stacked these. And I also placed them onto my eye. Now I'm going in with a ColourPop lippy, and I honestly forget which color this is, but I'll have it down in the description box. But it's just a basic black lippy, and then it wasn't black enough for me, so I went in with some black body paint, and then I wanted to extend my smile mark, so I actually went in on the sides of my mouth and kind of extended it a little bit, kind of like a Joker, but not really. So now I'm going in with some Gilded Honey on my beauty side, and I actually loved how this came out.
Goodbye.
Now I'm taking out my hair and fluffing it up a little bit because it's a second day hair. It's not as big as I wanted it to be, so I'm trying to fluff it up a little bit more. And this is a flower crown that I had made on the side for this look. If you guys wanted a tutorial on how I did this, just please leave me a comment down below. It's very easy, very affordable. That's it for this look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it for you guys. If you like this look, let me know by giving me a big thumbs up, and please go over to my Instagram page and show some love on this picture. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.